It's not about flag bearership. No, it's about who the people want. Ghana for say, Papa be what MPP. If he said, Emma on, what is with the radio station and near here? If they almost see Obi and all command, if you took what Obayama.
Enemy bra or coffee a cruise, a nipa 25 motorbikes about near the motorbike no. But could be a little bit so almost like 50 people. And on BCG hospital. And I'm and watching every emergency department or echo bro nurse. No.
Hello, I Xposed you the day you can get the old young Emma. I thought subscribe to my now Academy. Behind every successful man, there is a winner. And the Kennedy was it in the Capan was the next president of Ghana and American was. I make a name in the Nana, very vibrant, beautiful, articulate. Haha. Young Yara Kennedy, the incoming president of Ghana.
It's not about flag bearership. No, it's about who the people want. Ghana for say, Papa be what MPP. If he said, Emma on, what is with the radio station and near here? If they almost see Obi and all command, if you took what Obayama, or welcome and what you say, airport say, but Nina, or ya, heavy idea, or two or the Laconia, be the enmity, or ya, and moi, only president, only yes, or MP, or be anyone, when you start a period school, a year factory, you bet me nothing, or funny about funny about a tip, and fear a house of Obi, Debia, Obi, Sebeye, not yet none ever subs. Sebeye, dear, not to say anything. We all have purpose. And none of us of one, now with destiny, purpose. In a year of waffle in our lives. No, any year. What till this time, it's Australian. Over power and money. Like 3 years old, Ghana for so open. Oh, and I'm ready, or what can I say, but almost open. And then maybe on no before her, he's still winning power for us. Oh, no, yes, but open on now. Ghana for us, on request on the money, if I honorable pen around, almost power and my. It's enticement, near my enticement. But Yanni said we have to stay focused. What's our ultimate? Your ultimate goal in anything is to win power. Because your power.
When you misses, no, I almost like a fake. I walk down Mubura to Fanny, I'm fake. When not original, when not tell I ask, when not when not a when a numero of that on any account in Sumasem, when not bonnet to go. I put your bear man, not something. Who need about bow to go man? No, actually, yes, yeah, you were wrong. Yami or Boma, no Boma, some boy to go. Because on one body, you know, say, no, my more bank come on one. And I'm not talking about sex only. Send your wild baby for 4 to pay. And you're not make out. Make out of banyan seni. She says, my catcher will say, a man won't pray for Sita, won't pray for Niama because of the that much I said, my man now, yeah. And men also pay virtuous women. People who far away. Maybe say, the sure banagans are when you're man. They cover that because me, who are the idea of nephew? I, Maka. I don't even want to close me because yes, I be a new thing. Yes, I know what it's like. About me, so to me, yeah, do my yes, on your friend said, who will answer? I know about Sabi, or could be in a summer before. I know about Sabi, of course, say young quality. and you're about crossing your finest, and you're not be that me practice or bow 1 young son, or to the body you can be successful. That's what I'm talking about. And oh, share woman, the way all Cassan, the way all ya, who say, Kennedy, who are Papa. Why not be the first lady of the land, come 2028? Now, Minister of Boway, the way on one person or take business, I said, it's not about black barrassing. No, it's about who can do the job. The idea you do know, you're empower of it, you're petting, you're petting, why you not me a pretty Ghana to the next level? Boy, I think so much. We need Meza, no, I don't know yet. Israel, Kenya, somewhere by something, but we have a buyer, not only here, Jesus to count it all. That is what we need to do. Take to the next level. You are still Ghana. We are still in Tates. We can hear my crossroad and the subject. The new year before Junior yet to mean car. Now, I'm not doing any young rich. As some men finally see what rich. An eyewitness account. Let's go and listen.
The benefit of nim see what Rich Hospital no. But your dear potty in the sea.
Yo, many I say, my main and share what chief for an opay. Now, men now I say, the kind, Aquania, Sronkum, or their mind. As the young church, the SC, a magana for entry. A year, quite that. And you ran on soon. Military bear at the name Abapa. Ecosin on Chrome. And it's at the AC or Rich Hospital. Nearby, and say, yes, Ranti Quabi, a call program be. Also, more stop drug campaign. And now, almost the motorbikes, and about the motorbike bull be. And I'm coming on the Rich Hospital home. Mobile Rich Hospital home. Senior emergency department to kwa ya tie no omonso e ba Sara nto mo ba no na yesa branch bi yesa e friend rap na oka ho na ono nso den sachi atwitwa kakra enti ye try no green ma me nchire mu nchiro bra hospital kono ye umu ahoro the ye be system of triaging no ya na hospital emergency department different from say what OPD OPD the OD can buy any can handle na say be kra no ya fan like kra OPD na say be obi e wa chire no otwa ya medical show no anza na rewo OD kan no na emergency department no mo kwa wow ya re no adefe wo a enye eni suru bebre no na ya mawo color coding be very green. And no make say your mouth face ADD. Obetimi atwen kakra. Enye so u. Me am obi so yellow. E chese ne de no ase ano hye kakra. Ba ano ye hye bebre. Me am obi orange. Orange ne chese mu hye kakra. Na emom no e de ani ko ne ho. Me am obi red. Red ne chese ne yare na no odin pa sese ohia immediate care. You bet am obi black and blue. I know de ne chese brought in death. Ne chese what ye na no mo ense dodo ha. Enti ye see red. Me ni ase obi baamu sekia na obi foforo nso baamu ni ataaji ni green na ye obi baamu sekia no ye hwe ni case no no de ne red a ye behwe onipa na ne de ne red na isan se ono na ase ne nkwa eye finansa enti me pese Ghana 40 ase se ukwa emergency department a ulitini enko impose wo ense me na me di kan ba adan mo nhwe me ne ahwe na ese foreign doctor for no ya training omo ekwan a omo fa so assess ayafo no mu say we na ase ne yade ni mu odin tie se ni kone ho enti sa de ni siye ewo Rich Hospital ho enti omo address eye ni rap no ensachi a na atwitwi kakra no omo hwe address no ena omo ka se onkonkoye krata emra ena o se omo mo computer like omo mo ni be pop up ena ababawa ba ko ka so enye sa na ye no e wo Ghana ha ena o twe ne Ghana card say nurse no nyem fa nkoye card na man na nurse ni so you are very stable ohu eye edi kwa akoye card ne brago information o mu hia no means ni enya ema ena Ghana card ye ni infrastructure bi o ha ye de Ghana card shemu a all your particulars be pop up and tesa e wa branch is free odi di amanfo atem no me ade ye wo CCTV footage no me ade me wo other videos me dey send do enti o two sa na mo no ano e na nurse pani ba ko ka share rotation nurse bi a ombo no say oh on dressing rough a wound the man enti ono kra na a dressing wound no e de plaster e toto so no me ade because na enye serious sa e no mo yes onkoye card no enti o twe ne ho kakra no na nurse for the doctor for no mo hwa ya for no mo fo se bi a kwakoye card no say no ko free cruise enemy bra or ko free cruise enipa 25 motor bikes na ba ho ne ase motor bike no ba ko bi enipa bi no so almost like 50 people and on BCG hospital ho and amu enwotwe every emergency department ho echo bro nurse no
who among different versions of it no this is an eyewitness account eduma bia any mu brofo me sure say ko hospital na doctor try to know na o can't be kind by the choir the man pharmacist now on obe who be there because energy man wow what he did is stupidity at the highest level because I had to say obi a wa konum framo wa bodam ya wa ba he's a madman no be can tell me say he's not mad he's mad when give me wa bodam obi a wa bodam no who's wa bodam because on more than ya I can you hear na kon get da then I saw bodam so because you hear you know I can't want to madness one like so be or sat Arabia no mother a rap for bodam he needs psychological treatment he needs psychological help he's a mad guy it's more moving the children bodam because on more than ya can you hear na kon get that if you know the ethics of living in society if you have grievances where do you go to na minim so oyere dia we no bia ko ware no oba ko ware timi fo say ebede na omatimi awo kola papa because mo manyina ba timi fo you ni pa na wa jimi tini manyina ni nchi manyina jimi sa because if this man is my father I'm stupid that I'm telling you because who say you say me to maybe he wants to act he wants to do something who are you the system itself needs to be solved. It's not you coming to giving a head. What you did, has it solved the problem? It hasn't. A good woman must say, I'm not here who said not Jimmy and Wedging, and yes, and yes, and alone you. What do you answer? What do you want Jimmy? Degree, what do you well, one says here, gossip. But when we're Jimmy, when I'm going to make at them, they make at them before Jimmy. It is high time somebody teaching lesson. So that who said Ghana, we are of a country of laws. We are not in a banana state of never sorry, much of no young person. We don't need machoism. We need wisdom. The young member more again of making that solve the problem. And here you going after tax, now the chasing for now so for more. Engineering, it will support all these things. You are also not correct. Because anyway, and solve the problem. What solve the problem is sitting down and making sure that the laws in the country are reviewed if they are wrong or if whatever you talk about it in a civil manner, not a Kwasiam manner to say you are rough here, a Jimmy or here. Because it is high time the speaker said, don't then you guys say you got a political party maybe Jimmy, not police in Jamaica because we are the ruling government. The time has come. Say Ghana, you Buddha, you Buddha, you Buddha, you die. Now say, I never been Jimmy Kodia. We keep my friend. I suppose you can somebody say, reaching one outside of my